Alright, what's going on, man? It's your boy EQ. Out today working on my wife's car. We have a problem. She has a dookie stain that's in the paint. I already done washed it. Her hood needs to be painted, but that dookie stain is bothering her. It's a line come from here to there. Now, I've come to a conclusion that I can take this out. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray this solution on that. We're gonna rub it to see what happens. To see can we get somewhat pretty decent. Okay, now what I want to do, that's going to fade up, and you're going to see it fade up. That's going to completely fade up. I still see a little bit up here. Alright, trying to make sure that I get as much of it as I can. Alright, now what I want to do after I do this, I still see one of them lines, so a little more. This is just me testing something because I love chemicals. So we're going to see if my idea works. And then I'll tell you what's in this bottle. Now, what I want to basically do, what I just put on there, I want to kill it. So I get the EQ all purpose. I'm going to kill that what I just put on there. All right. Now we're gonna get the buffer. You may have to do this a couple more times. To make sure you got your product in. I still kind of see it a little bit. But it's a lot better than what it was. So we may have to do it a couple of times. See, that probably gonna have to be done a couple of times, but it looks a lot better than what it did. You think so? So we'll try it again. Can I let that sit in for a second? Let it work its magic. You know, you can compound this and wet sand it, but I don't get into wet sanding any of that. I mean, I try to keep everything in perspective and keep it simple. Still seal a little bit. It's a process, but it's a simple process. Let that work in for a minute. Okay, we got one little line left, looks like. Like I said, man, I love chemicals. You know, people like, man, you crazy. I wouldn't put that on there. Yeah, I know. I know. You know, sometimes you just got to keep working it in. But this product here, when you put it on there like that, you're going to have to kill it. I'm killing this product. All right. Like I say, it's a work in progress, and you can wet sand, but I don't get into wet sanding. It's just too much. I don't knock people that do it. Hey, that's a man's skill. For me, nah. I go with what I know. I know chemicals. Like I said, you might have to do it a couple of times, but you know, but you can get it out. That like that? Can you see it? All right, and I gotta wax that hood and it'll be done. Took me about 5 minutes to take that little dookie stain out without wet sanding. I will put the EQ wax on. Even though this hood needs to be painted, you know, we keep her car in immaculate condition. So you don't want to just wax that one part. Y'all know how the EQ wax does this thing, baby. So make sure you got the whole hood, go sideways. But I always end up going back the way you started, up and down the way the car was painted. All right, look like it's about to rain. It is about to rain. We're gonna hurry up and take the EQ wax off and see what we got. All right, flip that rag over. There you go, my friends. There we go. And that's our lesson for today. How to get the dookie off the hoodie. So, what I did was, in the bottle was acid. I know people say, oh, you don't want to use that. I always go against the grain. As long as you got some degreaser to kill it, once you get done using it, you're fine. Okay? I always go against the grain. So, as you guys can see, man, done a wonderful job of getting that buki stain off. You know, if you see another area, you know, just do a little dab or whatever. But you can see the big spot is gone right here. So, you know, there you go. So, appreciate you guys tuning in for another EQ special, baby. How to do it. And I better get in the house because I might get arrested for them there guns. All right, deuces.